Okay, have you guys seen that ride? It's literally a slingshot. Like two people sit in it. Do you know what I'm talking about? Okay, have you seen that video of those two girls? They're like 13. They go on it, and one of them gets hit by the bird. Iconic. All right, if you've not seen it, it's two girls, they're 13, right? Sitting down, camera's here. They launch off. The girl on the right, seagull. Yes. And here's the thing. It's funny because they're all screaming. The girl on the left is screaming because she's having a good time. The girl on the right is genuinely screaming. But also, the bird is screaming. I mean, to be fair, the bird is the most confused. In his mind, he's like, well, I'm up here, they're down there, and just, yeah. You know when he got hit, he was like, girl, what are you doing up here? And I love thinking about them afterwards, right? Because they're 13, so the one girl's probably running to her friends like, guys, Jessica got hit by a fucking bird! And Jessica looks like a Benny Hill sketch. She's got blood and feathers everywhere, just, I don't want to talk about it! Don't tell Jason! Okay, this is the part that only I laugh at, but I think it's really funny to imagine what it's like when the bird got home. Just hear me out. He's got missing feathers. He's got lip gloss smeared across his chest. And his friends are like, what happened to you today? I got hit by a girl. Why were you flying so low to the ground? I was 300 feet in the sky, Tom.